Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this SEO tools platform, which is Moz. So to get started, Moz is a well-known SEO tools that offer a keyword research, site audit, backlink analysis, and a trusted domain authority metric, all wrapped in a user-friendly interface. Its keyword explorer includes AI-based clustering and a SERP tracking for mobile and voice searches. The Moz Bio Chrome extension and a free tools make it accessible for beginners, and experts recently named a Moz Pro the best SEO tools in 2025 for its clean, consolidated workflow. But it's not perfect. The prices start at $99 per month, which is $99 per month, higher than some alternative, and its backlink database and keywords volume are smaller than a rival like Archive and SEMrush. User also reports a slower site crawls, fewer PPC or traffic estimate, occasional data delay or a bug, and less responsive support on basic plan. Some SEOs on Reddit suggest it has been overtaken in functionalities and a data refreshness, making it a solid choice for solo marketers and the clarity seekers, but less ideal for agencies needing an advanced comprehensive tools. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI platform. And that's it.